Children, in the last class we discussed about the conversion of timings raised, right? Hours into minutes or minutes into hours, hours into seconds or what. So today we are going to study how to add and subtract the timings. Okay, so first add is there. Okay, first what it is here, add. See here 3 hours minutes and 12 hours minutes. So what are there? Hours and minutes. Just I'll write on here hours and minutes. So first what it has been given will write down. Clear? Now 3 hours is here. So 3 hours. How many minutes is here? 42 minutes is here. Next. Here how many hours is here? 12 hours. Here 12 minutes. Okay. First thing is just writing in the place of hours and writing in the place of minutes. Now add this. 2 plus 2, 4. Same. How we are going to start with ones place. Here also you should start with the ones place. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 1. So what is the answer? 15 hours. 15 is in hours. Then 54 minutes. Clear? Now see here hours, minute, second is here. So what are the columns I have to put? First is hours, then minutes, then second. So how many hours is here? 4 hours, 12 minutes, 34 seconds. Then 12 hours, 15 minutes, 54 seconds. Okay, now what you should do? Add. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 1. So how much answer you have got? 12 hours, 27 minutes and 88 seconds you have got. Right. But see here now 88 seconds is here. So how many seconds we have? 60 seconds. Right. So convert this 88 seconds into 60. How much is remaining? 28. So this 60 goes into here minutes. So how much here? 1 minute here. This is 60 is nothing but 1 minute. 1 minute 28 seconds. So we have to write down answer is 16 hours. How many minutes? 27 plus 1 is 28 minutes. What is remaining? 28 seconds. Okay. Next, days, hours. Days, hours is here. So days, hours. 9 days, 14 hours. 5 days, 12 hours. So what you should do? Add. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now 1 hour equals how many will be there? 24 hours. Right. So 1 day will be equals to how many hours? 24 hours. We know that 1 day equals 24 hours. So here how many hours is here? 26 hours is here. So just split it. 24 plus 2. So 24 is equal to what? 1 day plus 2 hours. 1 day plus 2 hours. So your 1 day goes to this thing. That is 15 days. How many is remaining? 2 hours. If you want, you can keep it like this also, children. Okay. Next one. 12 years, 7 months and 18 months. So year is here, month is here. 12 years, 7 months. Year, no year. How many months? 18 months is here. Okay, now see here. 7 plus 7, 14, 15, 5, 1, 25. So 12. See 25 is here. 1 month equals how many will be there? 1 in 1 month, 1 year? 12 months. So 1 year equals 12 months will be there. Here how many are here? 25 months. So 25 months means how many years will be there? 12 plus 12 plus 1. So 12 means it's equal to 2 years. 2 year plus 1 month. So here 2 will be shifted to this side. So 12 plus 2 is 14 year. Then what is remaining? 1 month. Okay, 14 year and 1 month. Same subtract is here. Same wise subtract is here. So see here 4 hours 20 minutes from this. So they are telling you to subtract from this. So first you should write on this. So first I'll write on hours and then minutes. Okay, first hours and minutes. So first I have to write on this 6 hours 18 minutes. 4 hours 20 minutes. What you should do? Subtract. Can I subtract 20 from 18 children? No. How you were doing carry, the borrowing, you have to do. But your 1 hour is there. So you will take 1 hour. That is 5 it will become. 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. Right. So 60 plus 18 is how much? 78 will be there now. Clear? So I have to take whole unit. As we know, 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. Right. So 60 plus 18 is 78. Now 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the answer I got? 1 hour 58 minutes. Okay? Clear? Next. Days, hours. Days, hours is here. So I'll write on. Days, hours. So when from is there, you have to write on this first. 9 days, 7 hours. Then 7 days, 14 hours. You should do what? Subtraction. Right. Now again you see here. Can I subtract 14 from 17? Huh? Can I subtract 14 from 7? No. So what I should do? I should take borrow from here. So 1 day equals how many hours will be there? 24 hours. Right. So if I want to take here, it becomes 8. So I am borrowing 1 hour. So 24, what is here already? Plus 7. So 24 plus 7 is 31. So how much I got? 31 hours. Now you should subtract from this. So I can't carry. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. So what is the answer? 1 day 17 hours. Clear? See, after including some certain hours will be becoming days. So we can't subtract 14 from 7. So I need to take a borrow. So I can't take 1 and do like 17. No. Here you are taking 1 day full. So 1 day means equals how many hours? 24. So what will be here? I am going to add it then. Okay. So 24 plus 7 is 31. Next. Hours, minutes, second. Hours, minutes, second is here. So hours, minute, second. What? 8 hours, 35 minutes, 18 seconds by 5 hours, 24 minutes, 34 seconds. You should do subtract. Now, see here, can I subtract 34 from 18? No. So what I should take? I should borrow a minute from here. When I borrow, what it becomes? 34. But we know 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60 seconds. So already what it is here? 18. So 60 plus 18 will be equal to 78. So this becomes 78. Okay. How this becomes 78? I can't subtract 18 from 34. So I am taking a borrow. What I am taking a borrow? 1 minute. Clear, children? So 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 0. 3 minus 2 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what is the answer? 3. 3 is under hours. So 3 hours. Then 10 is under minutes. 10 minutes. Then 44 seconds. Answer is this. Clear? Next one. Years, months. Years, month is year. So first I'll write down what it is. Years, then months. Year how much? 10 years, 5 months. Year 2 years, 11 months. What you should do? Subtract. Now, can I subtract 11 from 5? No. So what I should do? I should take a borrow from the previous number. So here 10 years is there, it will become 1 year. So 1 year equals how many months? 12 months. 1 year equals 12 months. So 12 plus already what number is here? 5. So it will be 17 months. So instead of 15 it becomes 17. Okay, now 7 minus 1 6, 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 years, 6 months. This is your answer. Clear? So just the thing is you should be knowing how to take a carrying. For example, if you are taking borrow from year means 1 year equals how many months. If you are taking borrow from minutes to seconds means 1 minute equals how many seconds? 60 seconds. Like that you should be knowing. Got it, children? Any confusions? No? Yeah, just complete it. After this, there is one exercise in your textbook, that is page number 114. Okay, you can see this exercise. This exercise is not there. I just will complete it off till only this exercise 4. So this completes your chapter. Clear, children? Please complete it and submit it. Thank you.